Hi students, today we are going to learn about the topic rounding of numbers. In our daily life, we may talk about the strength of a school. For example, if there are 2,986 students in a school, we may say about 3,000 students. Similarly, someone may ask you, how old are you? You may be 10 years, 2 months, 5 days old, but you will answer around 10 years if the answer is not required for any official purpose. In some cases, we do not require the exact number. In the above cases, the numbers were round off. Let us learn how to round off numbers. First is nearest tens, second is nearest hundred, and third is nearest thousand. Today we are going to study about the topic only nearest tens. Our first heading is nearest tens. Consider the number 34. Then here 1's place value is 4 and 10's place value is 3. We take the 10's place value, that is 3. Then write 3. In the case of nearest 10, we put 1 0. Adding 10 to this number, then we get the number 40, that is right this side. That means 34 is lies between the number 30 and 40. First we take the number 10's place number, that is here the 10's place number is 3. So we write 3 and put 1 0 because it is the case of nearest tens. Here 30 we can adding 10 to this number, that is 30 plus 10, then we get the answer 40. So 34 is lies between the number 30 and 40. Then draw the number line. The first number is 30 and the last number is 40 and the middle number is 35. Then write 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, the next 36, 37, 38, 39 and last our number is 40. In this problem, we take the number as 34. So mark it as 34. In the case of nearest 10, 34 is very closer to 30. 34 is closer to 30 and also 33 is closer to 30. Then 32 is closer to 30 and also 31 is closer to 30. Then in this side, 39 is very closer to the number 40 and 38 is closer to 40, 37 is closer to 40 and also 36 is closer to 40. What about the number 35? The 35 is also closer to the number 40. So this side is rounded up to the last number 40. And this side is rounded down to the first number 30. Then take our number, that is 34. Then 34, we know that 34 is lies between 30 and 40. Then consider the 1's place value. 1's place value is 4. In this number line, we have to taking that 34, 33, 32, 31 also rounded down to the number 30 and here 31, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 is rounded up to next number, that is 40. That is here the 1's place value. 1's place values are 31, 32, 33, 34. The 1's place value 1, 2, 3 and 4. These numbers are rounded down numbers. 1's place value 1, 2, 3 and 4. These numbers are rounded down. Then next is 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. 39 is rounded up to the number 40. That is here the 1's place value 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are rounded up to the number 40. So our condition is the 1's place value. 1's place values including 1 to 4, that is down to the first number. Then 5 to 9 is rounded up to the second number. 1 to 4 numbers are rounded down to the first number and 5 to 9s are rounded up to the second number. Here our number is 34. Then 1's place value is 4. So it is rounded up or down? Yes, it belongs to the category 1 to 4. So it is rounded down to the first number. That is 34 is rounded down to the number 30. Therefore, we write as 34 is rounded down to 30. Okay, once again I explain. Consider the number 34. Then in this problem, take the tens place value. Here tens place value is 3. So we write 3 and put 1 0 because this is the case of nearest 10. That is the number 30. Then here we write the number 30 and adding 10 plus this number. That is 30 plus 10. Then we get the number 40. Therefore 34 lies between the number 30 and 40. Then draw the number line and mark it as the front number is 30 and the last number is 40. Then in between we write these numbers 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and last is 40. Then 34 is very closer to the number 30. Then 33, 32, 31 also very closer to the number 30. Then here consider the number 39 closer to 40, 38, 37, 36 and last 35 is also closer to the number 40. Then we take as 31, 32, 33, 34. Taking 1's place values. That is 1's place value here 1, 2, 3 and 4. These numbers are rounded down to first number. Okay. Taking the 1's place value 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are rounded down to the first number. And here 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Taking the 1's place value 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are rounded up to the last number. That is the second number. So we get 40. 35 rounded up to 40. 36 rounded up to 40. Then 37, 38, 39 is also rounded up to 40. So our conditions is that 1 to 4 numbers, that is 1's place value 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers, so it is rounded down to the first number. And 5 to 9, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are rounded up to the second number, that is here 40. So our question is find the rounding numbers nearest 34. That is our question is round of the numbers 34 nearest tens. We know that 34 is lies between 30 and 40 and consider the number 1's place value. Here our 1's place value is 4. So 1 to 4 is belonging to the down category. So 34 is rounded down to 30. So we write that therefore 34 is rounded down to the number 30. Second example, consider the number 78. Then here 10's place value is 7. So we write 7 here and put 1 0 because in the case of nearest 10. Here 70, then adding 10 to this number, then we get 80. So we write here 80. Therefore 78 is lies between the number 70 and 80. Then we draw the number line. Our starting number is 70 and our ending number is 80. Then middle number is 75. Then 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, next 76, 77, 78, 79 and last number is 80. Then here our number is 78. Then here marking 78. Then 78 is very closer to the number 80. Then in our nearest tens case, there are two categories, that is 1 to 4 numbers are nearest down to the first number and 5 to 9 are rounded up to the second number. 1 to 4 numbers are rounded down to the first number and 5 to 9 numbers are rounded up to the second number. Here our number is 78. So 78 is very close to the number 80. So it is rounded up. Then we write that 78. Then 78 is lies between 70 and 80. Then take the ones place value, that is 8. So 8 is belonging to 5 to 9 category. So it is rounded up to the number 80. So we write as 78 is rounded up to 80. Once again consider number 78. Then 78 is lies between the numbers 70 and 80 because we take the tens place value. Here tens place value is 7. Then write 7 and put 10 because the key is of nearest to 10. And adding 10 to this number, then we get the number 80. Therefore 78 is lies between the number 70 and 80. Then we draw the number line. Starting number is 70 and our ending number is 80. Then marking all these numbers. And here our number is 78. So 78 is very close to the number 80. In our conditions is that 1 to 4 numbers are rounded down to the first number and 5 to 9 numbers are rounded up to the second number. So we take our ones place value. Here ones place value is 8. So it is belong to the category 5 to 9, that is rounded up to the second number. Therefore 778 is rounded up to 80. Next is consider the number 57. Then take tens place value, that is 5. So we write 5 here and put 10. Then adding 10 to this number, then we get the number 60. Therefore 57 is lies between the number 50 and 60. Then draw the number line. Starting number is 50 and our ending number is 60. Middle number is 55. Then write 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and last number is 60. Here our number is 57. So mark it as 57. Then 57 is very close to the number 60. So it is belonging to up category. So it is rounded up to the number 60. Then again write 57 lies between 50 and 60. Then take it as the ones place value, that is 7. We identify that 7 belongs to 5 to 9 category, that is rounded up to the second number. So our number 57 is rounded up to the number 60. Therefore we write that 57 is rounded up to 60. Once more consider number 57. Then take the tens place value, that is 5. Then write 5 and put 10. Then 50 plus 10 equals 60. Then write 60 here. Therefore 57 is lies between the number 50 and 60. Then we draw the number line. Then starting number 50 and our ending number is 60. Then write middle number 55. Then mark it as all the numbers. Then here our number is 57. 57 is very close to the number 60. So we identify that 57 is rounded up to the number 60. Then we again write 57 is lies between 50 and 60. Then take ones place value, that is 7. Then 7 is belonging to 5 to 9 category, that is it is rounded up to the second number. Therefore 57 is rounded up to 60. All of you do the homework. Exercise 1.5, first section, round off the numbers nearest to tens, A to F. Write in your notebook. Okay, let us wind up our class. Thank you. Take care.